Happy New Year, everybody. You've stayed with me. Have you stayed with me, or are you new subscribers? Comment down below. Just doing the same old thing. I already said in my other video that, well, if you didn't watch that, I'm going to be uploading 2 times a week. I'm going to be uploading vlogs and then sit down videos. So that sit down video might be a review or whatever, but so I'm going to be uploading twice, vlog every week, and then a sit down video every week. That's going to be the schedule. That's what I'm going to be doing. Other things that I want to dabble in and start doing that I'm going to be doing, those are going to be I don't know, those I might make those my sit down videos or just additional content. Get me, baby. I'm on the way to the nail salon. Finally. I haven't got my nails done in so long, but I'm not even getting my nails done. I'm getting a pedicure. I may go tomorrow and get my nails done. I just don't want to go. I hate being in the nail salon for hours. I know hate's a strong word, but I can't be wasting that long of a time. I gotta do pedicure one day, nails the next day. So I'm gonna go get pedicure today. And I haven't even wanted my nails done in a while. I've just gotten used to natural short nails, but just seeing a lot of people with their nails done and painted and super long has made me want my nails done. I don't want them long, but I'm gonna get them short. But I think I'm gonna get acrylics. I haven't gotten acrylics in probably 2 years. I think 2 years. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's cold. I don't know how my skin looks, but it feels so good. I used 2 of my free samples from Sephora. I use Fresh, it's by Fresh, I believe, strawberry exfoliating scrub, and then I used Tatcha face cream, and it feels so good. But I'm pretty sure the Tatcha is super expensive, I believe. I don't know about the Fresh. I don't know. All right, let's get going. I just got a pedicure. The place that I was initially gonna go to, I called them twice on my way there just to see if they were open, just to see if they were accepting walk-ins, and they didn't pick up. So I called another place that I passed. I was like, let me just call this place. They picked up. So I just went to the other place, the second place that I called, because the place that I was going to go to in the first place, I went there one time before and I waited for a while, but I thought that was the only place that was open today. So luckily I did pass somewhere else. I called them and they were open and they were taking walk-ins. So anyway, I'm in there getting my pedicure, almost done with my pedicure, like getting the gel put on, and the nail place calls me. The first nail place calls me. Excuse me? First of all, what? You call me 45 minutes later but you call me back? Like, who does that? Like, I didn't leave a message. I don't know. It was just weird, just odd. But I figured that they called me back when they opened, maybe. I don't know. But I was glad. I would have pulled up to that nail salon and just been waiting and just been upset. So everything worked out perfectly. My pedicure looks great. I'm about to go in the house. I'm about to chill with my baby, have some lunch, have a coffee. Not even because I'm tired, because I'm not really tired. I just want the taste of coffee, and then I have to film a video when he naps. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully, no, I'm gonna do that. All right, I'll see y'all. I'll check in. Oh Lord, it is so cold out here. It is so cold. It's freezing out here. I can't with how cold it is. It's so cold. It's too cold. I need to be in the warm weather all the time. I don't know if I could do this anymore. Monday, January 9th. I am so excited because I have a few birthday presents / Christmas presents that I recently just got in the mail that I'm about to open up. Got a charcuterie board and some utensils for it. Then I've also got a new utensil tray. Wait, what are these called? Cutlery tray is what they call it. It's a bamboo. Got this also. So just a couple house things. Wait, I didn't pause. I had a gift card for Zara, so I purchased some things for my birthday. And I'm not buying winter stuff anymore. I'm over winter. I'm not buying any more winter things. The only thing I'm buying now is spring, summer stuff. That's what type of time I'm on. So I got this, which I don't know. Why did I get a small? Oh, I got a medium. Okay, fine. I got this cute little, and I love lime green. I just love lime green and everything. I got this cute top. Hopefully that fits. And I purchased this, which is, you won't really be able to see it because of my hoodie, but it's one shouldered and the other one spaghetti strap. And I got 2 pair of joggers. What size did I get in these? Medium? Okay. Blue. I love joggers, colored joggers with white strings for some reason. I don't know why, but I do. And I got the exact same pair in green. I've been wanting a pair of green sweatpants. I don't know why, just for some reason I just have been wanting a pair of green pair. Then I got this, a little small trial size of this perfume, the Ebony Wood. So I don't know if you all watch Kyra on YouTube, but she has talked about this perfume and I didn't want to get a large one. I just wanted to get a small one just to try it, to see how it smells. It smells very luxurious, so I got that too. Do they call it a trial size? What do they call this? I just been doing a whole bunch of cleaning up and organizing, straightening, a bunch of that stuff. My house looks an absolute mess right now because I've really been pre-spring cleaning. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of all the mess in my house. I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it. So getting rid of a lot of stuff, taking a lot of stuff to Goodwill, making sure that it's making sure that it's appropriate. I'm either gonna I really want to just take it to a shelter, but I may just end up taking it to the Goodwill. I don't know yet. So, but I'm getting rid of it. Some of the stuff I'm going to try to sell on Poshmark maybe, but I don't know. We'll see. I just have to get rid of it. It needs out of my sight, out of my house. It's cluttering my life. It's cluttering my house, my life. It's cluttering me. It's cluttering my mind, my mentality. So I'm getting rid of everything. Getting like certain furniture pieces that are needed. A couple new dressers, like nightstands, like end tables, stuff that I just don't have that I should have. Just doing a pre-spring cleaning type thing, even though we're just started winter. Even though we just started winter, I'm doing a spring cleaning. I don't know why that's funny. That's funny.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing that got me tripping? You did this one thing, you saw me feeling. Is this one thing you did?
Friday video every Friday, just like a check-in to see how the week went. As far as like I said before, I want to do yoga, I want to meditate, eat well, exercise. Those 2 are a given, but I'm gonna upload it, just checking in. I finally got pants that I feel like for the past year I've been trying to get the right size, so hopefully these fit. If they don't, I don't know. If they don't, I don't know if I'm gonna try anymore. So I purchased the pink Pretty Little Thing top and the brown top. And I've been trying to get my correct size in the pants. The last size that I got was a large. And I believe before that I got a small, I think. Smalls were too small, large was too big, medium should fit perfect. Here's the bottoms. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. Ugh. I'm definitely so confused and over these pants because the medium's too big. And I know for a fact that I had a small before and they were too small. Like, what's going on? Are they restocking it and changing the sizing? Because this will be my third time ordering them and they don't fit. Okay, I ordered 2 mediums. I'm going to return these. I'm going to order 2 smalls and then that's that. The saga continues with these pants. So this is going to be the last clip that I'm recording for this vlog. I feel like I've been vlogging little clips for the past month. I feel like some Skims stuff, and then I purchased an outfit off of Amazon. So I'm just going to open those up right here, see what we got, and then yeah, there's a camera. That's the lens cover. And then I'm just gonna wrap this vlog up and just put all the clips together. I purchased the bralette and some shorts from the thank you, from the outdoor collection. What color did I get? I think I got the color. Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. I got the color Desert. Oh, it's cute. Wait, what size did I get in this? I'm pretty sure. Okay, this looked kind of small. Thank you. Put it right here, okay? Okay. This is the top. And then the shorts. Here. Here you go. Outfit that I got off of Amazon. I got it for the summertime. Kind of wanted this to be a little bit longer than what it's looking like. But and then this is the shirt. Here, baby. Come here. Because it's focusing on you. Which is fine any other time, but just a shirt. Do you like it? Here, can you put it away for me right here? So I'll probably just wear a bathing suit under this in the summertime. But today is Valentine's Day, so hold on. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.